Okay, so I was able to get that to work, to slide it in underneath, and then using my really strong hands like Superman, I was able to bend this and kind of get it to stay. It's still a little wiggly, but I guess it won't matter when when I turn the desk upside down, and gravity would help hold this up. Next, I have to slide this into this to hold it. So I will do that, and then I have to make all the electrical connections as it shows. This is the last step. So first I insert it into this holder like this, and then I make all these electrical connections. So I'm going to do that next.